Hey guys, how are we doing today? So today we're going to be looking at a conversion from nitro to electric on my HSP 94110. So let's check it out. All right, so let's take a look under the cover. So pretty basic setup, nothing too fancy. So obviously motor, gearbox is the same, or the central gearbox. Got the ESC on the top. The steering servo motor is all original. All the front end and the rear end is all original. What I have done is obviously the motor used to sit on this side. If you haven't seen a HSP nitro car before, I don't know where you've been living. So obviously that sat there. Put in a battery box on this side, put in the receiver box. I've spun the central gearbox around the other way just so I can retrofit the motor on this side, and the ESC just sitting on the top plate there. So what I have used is just my 2000 kV motor from my VRX Cobra, which is up there. Obviously that now has a bigger motor in it, but just for testing, I'm just running the 2000 kV motor in this with the 60 amp ESC. Originally I did have a 13 tooth pinion on this, but I already did take this for a test run and it was just way too slow. So I upgraded this to an 18 tooth. It's a little bit better, but I know I can go a little bit bigger. I might even go 21 tooth or 22 tooth. With the 18 tooth, this motor wasn't even hardly getting any heat to it, so I know that I can up the pinion gear on this. So apart from that, everything sort of fit well. The only thing I had to do was I made my own sort of L bracket for the engine mount. I had to get that pretty spot on, so it is okay at the moment. It's non-adjustable. As you can see, it's pretty fixed into the screws there, so I had to get that adjustment and that free play right there. So yeah, you can just hear it just a little bit, so I'm pretty happy with that. The gear meshing seems okay. So what we'll do now is I'll get this back together and we'll take it for a run outside. And also, because I do need a new transmitter and receiver on this, I ended up just finding a cheapy one on eBay. It's just the Hobby King GT2B. Does the job. You know, it's only for bashing. There's no professional racing going on here. So this doesn't have batteries. It's actually just got one rechargeable battery, which recharges off USB. So it does okay. It does the job. So yeah, like I said, it's only for bashing. I don't do any racing or anything like that. So it's just a hobby on the side. All right, so I'm just outside my house. Sorry about the wind, guys. It's got a little bit breezy now as I come outside. So I'm just going to take it for a run and see how we go with it, and I'll show you how fast it actually goes with the setup that it's got so far. So for what it is, it's okay. I'm happy with it. Just a little project that I've done myself. Alright guys, so I've just brought it back in from that little bash out in the street. So I'll just show you the temperature of the motor. And so obviously that's not even warm. So that's what I mean, that I can just upgrade this pinion maybe to a 21 or maybe 22 tooth. And the temperature is only 37, nearly 38 degrees. And for my international friends, 100 degrees, 99 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's still pretty warm. So I can probably even put a bigger motor on this, but then I'd have to up the ESC maybe, or I might just start with a bigger pinion for now. And yeah, that motor, that's not even just on warm. So yeah, I think it should be okay to upgrade that. So alright guys, so hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to leave a comment if you like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.